Want to organize your music collection with MusicBrainz Picard? MusicBrainz Picard is a powerful music tagger that can identify songs, update metadata, add album artwork, and organize your music library automatically. In this guide, I'll show you how to use MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard on your computer. Once the application loads, you'll see separate panels for your unmatched files and matched albums. This layout makes it easy to organize and tag your music. Next, click Add Files to import individual songs, or Add Folder to import an entire music album or collection. Adding complete album folders usually produces more accurate matching results. Now select your imported files and click Lookup to search the MusicBrainz database using the existing metadata. If the tags are missing or incorrect, click Scan instead. The scan feature uses audio fingerprints to help identify your music even when file names aren't accurate. Review the matched album information to make sure the artist name, album title, track numbers, and song titles are correct. If everything looks good, click Save to write the updated metadata to your music files. Depending on your settings, MusicBrainz Picard can also rename files and organize them into folders automatically. Finally, open your music folder in File Explorer and confirm that the tags and file names have been updated successfully. You can repeat these same steps for the rest of your music library to keep everything organized. And that's how to use MusicBrainz Picard. With just a few clicks, you can identify your music, improve metadata accuracy, and keep your music collection organized for media players and streaming devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.